Namaskar. Nature is our best friend. Children love to be with nature. When children are with nature, they can develop a very good sense of creativity and innovation. Let's see how. We as human beings, when we want to lead a good, healthy and peaceful life, we can learn it very well from nature. Nature has everything well ahead in planning, preservation. If all these things we want to learn, we want our child to learn, and if they are with nature, it is joy for them. Fruits. Fruits are always very healthy for us. It takes good amount of time, sunlight, air, water, soil. With all these things, a fruit gets ripened in the tree, and when we consume it as a human beings, we feel it, our stomach is very friendly with fruits and it get digested within 3 to 4 hours. Fruits. If we have a keen observation to fruits, we will see how beautifully nature has designed it, intelligently managed it, well planned with time, and also it is having a complete feedback loop. Let's see. Let's take an example of a fruit like tomato. It is red in color. It is very attractive for children. We can introduce this fruit to our child life by telling them the skin of the fruit, tomato skin, are very hard. Even human body cannot digest it. Because the fruit is pulpy in nature, nature has developed the membrane or the tomato skin so hard that it can retain the pulp till it is ripened. So this is an intelligence which we can give to our child, that is art of learning protection, how you can protect yourself. Let's take one more fruit like bale. The skin is very hard and the pulp inside the fruit, it is like a pulpy fruit. The skin is so hard that you need some substance against to hit it hard to break the fruit. So nature, if the fruit is pulpy, juicy, then nature takes all the care of the skin of that fruit. But if fruit is hard or if it is not that much of pulpy, we can see the skin can be easily peeled off. So this is a very good observation. We can help our child to learn how nature is planning things ahead, how the fruits are so well being managed by the plants. This is one thing. The other thing is, all fruits, we know it is the seasonal fruits. Let's take an example, orange. Orange is a seasonal fruit when in winter, our skins are very dry in nature. But if you have seen or you have the power of observation, orange like peel or you can say the skin of orange, they are full of oils, which is very helpful and very healthy for human body. So nature always try to be in coordination with us. If we can say tea, coffee or the spices are always born in winter climates, because in winter climates we feel very cold and we need something to keep us warm. So maybe a cup of tea or a cup of coffee can keep us warm. So this kind of observation, that how nature beautifully help us for everything what we as a human body needs to keep us healthy. So like this, we can tell our children or we can help them to understand how they can grow small plants within their own capacity, and take care of how they can see what kind of plants, what kind of fruits, what kind of flowers are available within our ecosystem. So one small observation is, if you have seen that grasses which grows in a tumbler compared to grasses which grow in soil. If you pluck the grasses from the tumbler, you will see, or we will notice, we need very less force to remove that grass from the tumbler which we generally have in our house. But suppose we have a lawn there, when we try to pluck the grass and if it is connected to Mother Earth, we need good amount of force to extract that grass from the soil. So this small kind of observations, it will help our child to create memories in their brain, to understand how nature very well is always in sync, always in rhythm, always in favor of we as a human being. One more thing is, every in my first video I have said we can introduce an art of plucking flowers for our children. But here, for fruit can always come after a flower. But if they pluck the flower of a fruit bearing tree, then they cannot get fruits. So this kind of knowledge, if we keep on engaging our child with nature, they will understand that how well nature is taking care of all the things, so that we as human body is like we can be more healthy and we will take care of ourselves very easily. Jai Bharat.